Square flange is a square-shaped flange that is used in between pipe-to-pipe or pipe-to-component connection. So for the few examples will be WAF, T's, and elbows. So there are many different flange standards to be found worldwide. The common world standards including SME, DIN, BS10, and also GIS. How to assemble an LSA square flange? Firstly, you have to ensure the seal surface is free from scratches and contamination. You can lubricate with system fluid or any compatible lubricants on the surface of the O-ring portions. Then, position the flange and place the bolt on the bolt hole and bolt through it. So next, tighten the bolts by hand. Taut the bolt gradually in diagonal sequence. So lastly, tighten the bolts with an Allen key. Alright, so this is how to assemble the LSA square flange.